Watch out, watch out. Hey. Hey, tell him I'm gonna fix myself. He's gonna fix himself. Coming through. Damn, look at this. As you guys might have not known yet, I haven't told you guys, I'm getting my lights pretty soon. I got them from Lighting Trends. It's gonna be the color changing right here, RGBW. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'm also gonna get the ones over here, but that's gonna be after. So much after.
IG, man.
It's Phoenix. Ooh. Hey, sir, where's he gonna park now? Over there? Oh, there's a spot right there. What's good, Mike? I'm good.
We're staying home. Y'all just kept there for a little bit. I caught him on the truck.
Yeah. Alright. Yes, sir. Wide body. Shit thick. Yes, sir. Hey, man, we got some good cars out here, though. Yeah, look at that. It's crazy. This orange actually looks almost like that one, too. That's crazy, man. But Hellcat wide body. Man, this thing looks really good with those wheels, bronze wheels. Looking pretty good, man. But you know, it's just a park and chill, nothing going crazy out here. Just normal stuff. Again, guys, UGN. Houston, we're taking over UGN. You see all these fingerprints in my car? That's this, guys. They don't know the struggle.
Tell me about it. I watch it all the time, man. My girl and her friend,
Yeah?
they don't
know, bro. Like, I was in the sun for an hour watching it. Yeah, probably. We got a purple Scatpack right here, looking pretty good. B5 blue, my favorite Mopar color, B5 blue, looking pretty good. Chrysler purple lights, yes sir. We got a whole lot of Mopar out here, man. Oh, looking pretty good. Man, y'all look at this right here. I like this one, big pressure. Yes, sir. I like that, big pressure, man. Facts, in line. I have never seen this color though. Comment right now what color this is. I am not aware of this color. Looks pretty good though. A whole lot of Mopar out here. That's crazy. We got more Mopar right there. Man, look at this Challenger right here. This is crazy. Like the yellow accent. Up there it says 6'4". Black Lives Matter. I like that. Yo, look at this one right here though. Say less, man. Say less. Yo, look at that. Look at the B pattern on there. Even on the sunroof cover. Yo, this is nice, man. Hey, I've never seen this color before, man.
That's our 50th anniversary, I guess.
Because even that, even the Charger over there has that this color.
Actually, the 2020 this color came out in 2020.
Oh crap!
It's a brand new one.
Oh yeah, it's.
These colors are. I just seen it on 2020.
Yeah, I never seen it before until today. You know.
I just seen it on 2020.
Yeah, because even that charger we got it, I'm like, damn. So the new lineup, they got good colors, huh?
Took my phone and shit, turned on.
Yeah, that's crazy. I like that color.
The traction control stays on, but you can just turn it off. But the
We out here, man. We out here.
That is Hellcat I seen tonight. I gotta
Which one?
Is it called the Hulk? Some shit? Oh hell, what?
Y'all won't even record it for me, man. I'm gonna expose y'all on the video. Don't touch. Do not, bro. You have to, there's etiquette out here. You can enjoy it with your eyes, but you can't touch.
Damn.
I'm Gucci. Ooh.
That's cold, man.
Yeah, that's nice. Also, I seen that new blue right. I like that blue right there, man. Oh yeah, this go hard too. Look at that, man. Look at them lights on there. Yo, this thing is crazy. Man, I love the car, man. Damn. Yes, sir. We got all this moped out here. We got this Hellcat. That's crazy. Man, so far it's a good turnout. You know what I mean? Decent amount of cars out here. Let me walk over here and show you guys what they got on this side. Yeah. Yo, I like this Mustang right here. Y'all see that intercooler right there?
That's all air, man.
Y'all see that? You see the intercooler though?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he got something down there, bro, for sure. For sure. Damn. We got this 2020 Mustang GT out here with these lights, RTR lights. Looking pretty good. It's a nice blue. It's a nice blue. Got a Camaro right here. Dang, look at how much those wheels are coming out of the Mustang though.
Oh, yeah, it looks like you almost had a Wi-Fi.
Dude, that's crazy. Yo, yeah, look at this right here. I like this one right here. This color is almost similar to mine. I don't know if there's a difference. But this thing is amazing, man. Yeah, look at that. I like this color, man. It's crazy. It looks a little lighter, but I love it too at the same time. Hey, y'all think these are the same colors?
No, I think this one is more like darker.
Oh yeah, that one is a little darker. But I like this color too, man. It's crazy. That's nice.
This your whip, bro?
Oh, you guys are about to head out?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was alright. It's good to see different builds, you know?
Yeah.
I got to see the new color. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, that's a nice spot.
Yeah. Alright y'all, that was it for tonight's video. Just a quick short video of the meet we got going on out here. Just a fucking chill, nothing too crazy going on. But I If you guys enjoyed it, I know you guys saw the new 1.4 color of the Challenger and Charger. I hope you guys like those colors. Without further ado, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share.